In the last video, I explained how to solve system of linear equations using Gauss elimination method. What is Gauss elimination method? Gauss elimination, or it is called Gaussian elimination method. In this method, we reduce the augmented matrix to triangular form and we rewrite the equation, and we get, by back substitution, we get the values of x, y, z, if x, y, z are the variables. I solved two more examples today, and then I explain Gauss-Jordan method. Problem is solved by Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method. 5x minus 2y is 2.5 and 10x plus 8y is 3.5. See, there are two equations and two unknowns. Two equations, two unknowns. I explain how we can apply Gauss elimination method. I have already solved some few problems. Now this is two equations, two unknowns, and we form the matrix form. The matrix form of the equation is Ax is equal to B. What is A? A is coefficient matrix 5 minus 2, 10, 8. And what is X? Matrix of unknowns. And what is B? B is matrix of this constant 2.5, 3.5. Now the augmented matrix is, what do you mean by augmented matrix? Augmented matrix means it consists of coefficient matrix, that is 5 minus 2, 10, 8, one additional row that consists of constant 2.5, 3.5. This is called coefficient matrix. Now reduce this to triangular form. What is the triangular form? You have to make this 1. You have to make this 1. Therefore, we denote this by C. R1 divided by 5. R1 is R1 by 5. You get 1 minus 2 by 5, and 2.5 divided by 5 means it is 0.5. 1 by 2 or 0.5. Let us use this system only. 2.5 upon 5 is 1 by 2.5. 10, 8 and 3.5. This is first step. Second step is you have to make this 0. Therefore, R2 minus 10 R1. Take R2 minus 10 R1. C is therefore is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 and 0.5, and 10 minus 10 0. R2 minus 10 R1. So we get 8 minus 10 into 2 by 5. So it is 2. Is it 4? It is 4. 8 minus 4. Minus, therefore, minus 1 minus plus 8 minus. So it is 12. Am I correct? 12 it is. 12 and 3.5 minus 5. Because 10 R1. 3.5 minus 5 is minus 1.5. This is R2 minus 10 R1. Now this is triangular form. Now rewrite the system of equation. This is Gauss method. Rewrite the system of equation. System of equations. We get x minus 2 by 5y is 0.5 and value y is equal to minus 1.5. Rewrite the equation in this form. Now by back substitution, this gives value of y y is minus 1.5 upon 12, or it is minus 3 by 2 divided by 12, or it is minus 3 by 24, is minus 1 by 8. This is value of y. Y is minus 1 by 8. X is back substitution 0.5 minus 1 by 8 can be written as minus 0.81 the 8 and 2 remains, 8 to the 16, minus 1.125 minus 0.125, or x is 1 by 8. Is it correct? Value y. So minus 1.5 minus 3 by 2 divided by 12. So minus 3 by 24. Minus 3 by 24 is minus 1 by 8. Let us keep this as it is. X is 0.5 plus 2 by 5 y. 0.5 plus 0.5 means 1 by 2. Let us take 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5. What is y? Minus 1 by 8. 2 1 the 2 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 20. This is value of y. So it is 10 LCM. 20 LCM. 2 10, therefore 9 by 20 plus 9 by 20. So solution is x is 9 by 20, y is minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. This is the solution. Now how to verify? You can easily verify the solution here. Solution means these two should satisfy both the equations. So I substituted verify here. Verification 5 into 9 by 20 minus 2 into minus 1 by 8. It is 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 10 by 4 means 2.5. First one. So first equation is satisfied. Now verify second one whether it is also satisfied. If the second one is also satisfied, then it is called the solution. In the second one, 10 into 9 by 20 plus 8 into minus 1 by 8. So it is 9 by 2 minus 1. 9 by 2 minus 1. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 10 into 9 by 20. So let us what is the second equation? Plus 8 into minus 1 by 8. Let us 8 into minus 1 by 8. 5 by 2 means not 5 by 2, 7 by 2. 9 minus 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5. So this is also satisfied. Hence the values of xy obtained satisfies both the equation, and therefore it is the solution, and this is called Gauss elimination method. What is Gauss elimination method? In this method we reduce the augmented matrix to triangular form and we rewrite the system of equation so that by back substitution we will get values of x, y, z. Let us consider one more problem here. So by Gauss elimination method, system of equation is x plus y minus 6z is minus 12, x plus 4y minus z plus 5 is 0, 3x minus y minus z is equal to 4. See here, see the second equation, plus 5 is 0, x plus 4y minus constant term is in the left hand side. So we reduce the equation to standard form. Standard form in the sense constant must be, all the constant must be in the right hand side only. So rewriting we get x plus y minus 6z is minus 12. X plus 4y minus z is equal to minus 5. 3x minus y minus z is 4. This is the system of equation. I did directly augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is C is equal to 1 1 minus 6 minus 12, 1 4 minus 1 minus 5, 3 minus 1 minus 1 4. This is called augmented matrix. What is the procedure? What is Gauss elimination method? In this method, we reduce this augmented matrix to triangular form. Then rewriting the equation, we get by back substitution values of x, y, z. How to reduce to triangular form? R2 minus R1, R3 minus 3R1 gives first row as it is 1 1 minus 6 minus 12, because R2 minus R1 0, 4 minus 1 3 plus 5 and plus 7, 3 minus 3 0, minus 4 minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 plus 18 is it 17, minus 1 plus 18, 4 plus 36, 40 it is. Let me verify. Minus 14, minus 4, 17, 40. 3, 5, 7. Yes. Next is you make this as 1. This leading element 1. For that, R2 is 1 by 3 R2. It reduces to 1, 1 minus 6 minus 12. I think the method is clear to all of you. We reduce this to triangular form. Next, this leading element of second row must be 1. So we are dividing by second row by 3. First row as it is, second row 0, 0, 1, 5 by 3, 7 by 3, and 0 minus 4, 17, 40. 17, 40. Next step is make this element 0. How to make this element 0? We take R3 plus 4R2. R3 plus 4R2, because if you multiply by 4 plus 4 becomes 0. C is therefore R3 plus 4R2 gives 1 1 minus 6 minus 12, 0 1 5 by 3, 7 by 3, 0 0 17 plus 20 by 3, 71 by 3. Am I correct here? 71 by 3. Then into 4, 40 plus 28 by 3, 148 by 3, 148 by 3. Now this is triangular form. Elements below the principal diagonal are 0. Therefore, rewriting the equation, rewriting the system of equations, we get x plus y plus z, x plus y minus 6z is minus 12, y plus 5 by 3 z is 7 by 3, 71 by 3 z is 148 by 3. Now the system of equation is reduced to this. Now by back substitution we get values of x, y, z. From the third equation, what is z? Z is 148 by 71. This cancels. 148 by 71. Now back substitution. We start from last equation and proceed backwards. Back substitution. Z is 148 by 71. What is y? Y is 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3 z. Correct? 5 by 3 z. 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into 148 by 71. 7 by 3 minus, simplify this, 71 into 3, and it is 148 into 5. 8 5 the 44, 40, 24 4, 24 2, 7. Minus 740. So it is 71 into 3, 71 into 7. What is 71 into 7? 497 minus 740. So it is minus 3. 13 minus 9 is 4. And what is this? It is 642. It is right. 243 by 71 into 3 minus 81 by 71. Is it correct? 81 by 71. This is value of y, this is z. How to find out x? Now we go back to first equation. X is, it is called back substitution. X is minus 12 plus 6z minus y. Minus 12 plus 6z minus y. Minus 12 plus 6z. 6 into 148 by 71 minus y plus 81 by 71. Simplify, you get 117 by 71. So solution is x is 117 by 71, y is 81 by minus 81 by 71, z is 148 by 71, and this is called Gauss elimination method. I hope all of you followed the method here. How to solve using Gauss elimination method. You can expect problems from this 5 marks and also 2 marks problem. Sometimes what is Gauss elimination may be asked for 2 marks. What is Gauss elimination? Gauss elimination, you have to explain what is Gauss elimination method. And if 2 equations, 2 unknowns are given, it is for 2 marks, and for 5 marks you will get 3 equations, 3 unknowns. And all of you know that there is a, for in question paper, the pattern is for degree, there will be only 5 and 2 mark questions. First part consists of 2 marks, second part consists of 5 mark questions, third part 10 marks, but 10 marks means 5 marks 2 questions. 2 questions. In the main question there will be 2 sub questions, each question carries 5 marks. So totally there are only 2 and 5 mark questions for degree. I give some examples as exercise, and to get to understand this method, what you have to do is you have to solve more and more problems. I give problems as exercise. Next is Gauss-Jordan method. Gauss-Jordan method. In the Gauss-Jordan method, we reduce that, as in the Gauss elimination method, we form the augmented matrix. You know what is augmented matrix, and in the augmented matrix, we reduce augmented matrix, the coefficient matrix in that part of the augmented matrix, to unit matrix. So we get to reduce coefficient matrix to unit matrix, you have to use only row operations. In that procedure, when you reduce coefficient matrix to unit matrix, you will get the values of unknowns directly. Unlike Gauss elimination method, the backward substitution is not required. You will get the values of x, y, z directly. I explain by taking some examples how to solve using Gauss-Jordan method. That I continue in the next video.